Welcome back. You're watching The Buck Stops Here. Time now to bring you excerpts from our exclusive interview with Anushka Sharma, the actress who's taken on everything from the censor board to cricket fans who blamed her for Virat Kohli's poor performance on the England tour. Today, speaking to me earlier, she said that her relationship with Virat Kohli has nothing to do with his professional performance or hers. Then you're actually being blamed for somebody not doing well on the cricket field.
Yeah.
Or for somebody losing their temper as a journalist.
Yeah.
Oh, it was about some story about Anushka. How do you cope with that?
You know, I always say this that somewhere like we in our country, like how it's so quick to judge a girl in terms of it's time for her to get married. Like if you look at it, engaged. As soon as someone knows that you're like in a serious relationship, how quickly we judge to conclusions about like actresses and them getting engaged, try to find their engagement rings. Because somewhere we're not treating them as professionals, right? Otherwise, why would you do that? Right? It's like if they're doing that, like that's what they're actually meant to do. If you know what I'm saying. Like
Yeah,
I
do
feel
know
that
what
way.
you're
Like I
saying.
feel like that's how we're getting looked at. We're not being
But when an
seen,
entire country
that
is
duality
cribbing,
is there.
but when an entire country is cribbing about you being on a cricket tour,
Yeah.
how do you cope with that?
It was very difficult because one thing is, to deal with your own issues, which I think in being in the industry for a fair amount of time, I've been able to, I was able to deal with it. But when you have to be blamed for somebody else, like I don't want to be giving credit for anything someone else does, nor do I want to be blamed for anything someone does.
Like you're not going to be a better actress because you're dating somebody,
because
right?
It has
And vice versa.
Exactly.
And
it has
vice
nothing,
versa.
And my relationship with the person has nothing to do with my profession or the person's profession. But I think people just see us like that. Like, it's just that for them, that's eyeball grabbing. So let's talk about
But after that cricket tour, the cricket board came down, no restrictions on wives, no to girlfriends.
Yeah.
Again, the kind of puritanical streak that we're talking about in the context of the film industry.
Yeah.
So how annoying is that?
See, I don't know under what understanding that something like this has been decided for, because I didn't like the term distraction. Why do you think that a person is going to be distraction? Why wouldn't the person be a strength to somebody, a supporter, a moral booster? Like why is that this person would be a distraction? Because what? Because you're attaching like a relationship, a physical relationship between somebody or what? I mean, I found that to be extremely, extremely
distasteful,
primitive and distasteful. To use that word. And that's because of the background I come from. That's because of the way I see my father and my brother treat women around me. So for me, it's like, who talks like that? Like, who even speaks this way? And that and then you are doubting the capability of these people who've been working, like who've been playing since they were children. That's all they know. If you meet all these guys, they don't know anything other than cricket. That's all they know. They breathe, live, eat, die cricket, right? So you're saying that they're not capable to deal with their careers. Like something that happens in their life, they're like, so this they're just gonna like, lose their bearings and go mental. Give people credit for what they've achieved. Give them credit for the fact that they're adults and they know how to deal with their life. Still they prove they don't.
And you can watch that full interview with Anushka Sharma tomorrow night at 9:30 p.m. on The Buck Stops Here. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.